Okay, so the question is, if you've been working with a group of people for a while, but then you decide, I don't want to be a generalist anymore, I want to focus on a particular group of people, particular issue, then I'm not going to be helping the others and they'll be disappointed, they'll be left behind. Okay, so first of all, is it okay to leave people behind? By the way, everything I've been talking about today, also true for dating. Let's take a look. I think you'll see this is all true. This all works for dating. So just remember that when we come to the pay what you can portion of today, just remember that you didn't just get one workshop, you got 2 workshops. But you know, if you're dating somebody for a while and that stops being a fit, you can end it. You can be married to somebody and you can end it. It's just not working anymore. You're allowed to walk away at any point for any reason. It seems to be. The evidence being the lightning doesn't strike you when you do. You're not deleted from the universe and booted out. It just seems to be the grace of the universe. You can change your mind. You're allowed to change your mind. That's number 1. Number 2, so important. You can be explicit without being exclusive. Yeah. You could say, you know, my bullseye target market, I'm working with this particular niche, this particular issue, and you can still see other people. People are often scared. Say, if I really hone in on that particular issue, then I'm gonna lose other people, and I'll only see those people, and I'll get bored. Good luck, because what happens is you hone in on a particular issue. Those people get such good results because you decided to focus, and you become really good at that. And then they start telling their friends about you, and their friends say, I don't struggle with exactly that issue, but I struggle with something like 1 ring out, 2 rings out on the bullseye. It's up to you if you want to be exclusive or not. Yeah. So I could say, you know, I work with, I make products and they're only good for Apple computers. That's it. Sorry, it's not for PCs. It's just for Apples. That's being exclusive. But I might say, yeah, we have this app and you can use it if you have a PC, you can use it if you have an Apple. That's just explicit that you have an app. So I might say explicitly, I work with people on this, but if you're 1 ring out, 2 rings out, 5, they can still come. Okay, so that's the second thought. Third is, if you're going to make a shift like that, it's a good idea to announce it to your list. And you just say, look, I'm still happy to see everybody, or not, depending if you want to be explicit or exclusive, but it's good to announce the shift. I've just decided to really, okay, if you're very certain about it, you could say, I've decided to make this my niche. I'm going to be focused on this. So if you know people who are struggling with this in this particular way, these kind of people, please send them my way. It's good to do a bit of a relaunch, just a reintroducing yourself. And here's the new niche and here's why, yeah. A little bit of a rebranding, telling the story, making the case, I'm redoing my website, here it is. Here's some, you know, social media stuff you can share on my behalf. Here's who I'd be looking for. And yeah, if it's an experiment, you might just say, for the next 6 months, I'm going to be putting a real focus on this. I don't know, I'm not committing to it, but I've been very drawn to this. And so for the next 6 months, I'm going to be really focused on this. And I'll still be seeing everybody. I'm not going to be turning all the old clients away. But you really might say, I'm letting go of this part of my business. If you've been working with me for this, I'm wrapping it up now. You know, it's been a good time and I have to stop it. And then if, you know, you can also refer them to other people. You could say, so I can't help you anymore, but I found 3 other people who I think would be great and I'm going to refer you to them. And if you can't, then you can't. You can just say, I'm so sorry, what we had was really special and I wish I knew somebody I could send you to and I don't. Yeah, so those are some thoughts. Does that...
Yeah.